Welcome to Tickerly. In this video, we will go over how to set up alerts on your strategy to automate the order execution using Tickerly. Tickerly uses a simple alert message structure where you don't have to make any adjustments to the alert message on the individual strategy to start automating the order execution of your TradingView strategy. It is designed to exactly enter the trades your strategy dictates based on order fill alerts from TradingView. Note that there are also more advanced alert message structures too, but for this video, we will focus on the standard Tickerly setup. Let's get started. First, go to My Exchanges after logging into Tickerly. Here you copy the standard alert message for the exchange account you want to use for your TradingView strategy. You do this by selecting the text, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. Now, let's go to TradingView and select the strategy you want to automate. Click the three little dots on the right side of the strategy and select Add Alerts On. In the pop-up, under Condition, select Order Fills Only. In the Message field, paste the alert message you copied from your My Exchanges list by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Notice that you get a little green check mark, which signifies that the alert message is structurally correct. In the Notifications tab, tick the webhook URL option and insert the IP address of the Tickerly Alert Processing Server in the field below. The IP can also be found on the My Exchanges page and should be copied in directly, so let's just do that. For subsequent alerts, TradingView will suggest this webhook recipient, so you won't need to set it again. And finally, to verify that the strategy is indeed sending the expected alerts, enable Send Email to get a copy in your inbox where you can see the actual values of the alert sent to Tickerly. Now click Save to enable the alert. And there you go. That is all there is to it. Tickerly will now automate the order execution of your strategy automatically and consistently. If you want to learn more, go to the Resources tab on the Tickerly website or join the Discord where we are more than happy to help. Thank you, and see you in the next one.